So I was thinking about this the other day. If you were to cut a piece of paper, which one of these tools are you going to use? This one? Or this one? To be honest with you guys, I'm one of those people that don't really care what kind of tools are you going to use. I just want the tools that I can use to do what I need to do. And of course, using the right tool always matters. But as long as I can use it to do the job, as long as it doesn't bother me, as long as I'm having fun doing it. So the reason why I wanted to make this video is the recent update of Final Cut Pro, and they just changed the icon for the blade tool. Used to be blade, looked like this, and now it looked like a scissor, pair of scissors. Threw me off in the beginning when the first time I saw it. I was like, I thought I pressed the keyboard shortcut B for blade, and now I'm having these scissors up here. I'm just curious to know if it bothered you guys that they changed this icon from blade to pair of scissors. Yeah, let me know. Let me know in the comment section. And the other thing is I actually realized that I don't use that blade tool that often because I use the keyboard shortcut to cut and to trim just to start my editing process. Let's go to Final Cut Pro really quick. You see, when I have all my clips on the timeline like this, I just use Command B to cut, and I use my mouse to just point where I want to cut, and then I trim the clip to get rid of the things that I don't really want to use in the video. But I also just use the keyboard shortcut trim to start or trim to end just to, make it fast. And the keyboard shortcut for that is Option bracket. Bracket left for trim to start and bracket right for trim to end. Those are just the keyboard shortcuts that I use to create or to start my editing process. Just cut and trim to start or trim to end. And just by using those keyboard shortcuts, I can quickly have the skeleton of my video, and it really speeds up the editing process. Now, because I use those keyboard shortcuts a lot, I actually even modified my shortcuts. I wanted to put everything close to each other. So instead of using Command B for cut, I decided to use the apostrophe key, which is just below the brackets. So I used the Command apostrophe for cut, and for the trimming, instead of using Option bracket, I just took that Option key away, took that option away, and then just use brackets. So bracket left to trim to start and bracket right to trim to end. So now everything is on the left side of my keyboard, cutting and trimming. I can keep my left hand on my keyboard without looking, and then my right hand on the mouse. So I'm just, everything that can speed up the process, everything that can make it more fun, that's what I want to do. That's what I want to do when it comes to editing. So if you guys got some value from this video, you might also like these videos about editing in Final Cut Pro. Go check it out, and I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully. Peace.